In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable follow iPhone. So this is particular for iPhone users with AirPod or headset. So if you use headset or AirPod with your iPhone, then you need to turn on or turn off follow iPhone on your device. So if added on this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to turn on follow iPhone on your iPhone on iOS 18, all you need to do is go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, just scroll down and click on accessibility. Now, once you click on accessibility, you just need to scroll down to the bottom of the page until you get to AirPods. Go ahead and click on that. Now, once you selected that, scroll down, then locate spatial audio head tracking. If this is disabled in your case, go ahead and turn on the feature which is called the follow iPhone. The essence of this is when follow iPhone is turned on, spatial audio for supported movies and TV shows will sound like it is coming from your iPhone instead of following your head movement. So this is going to sound as if the sound or the spatial sound from the movie is coming directly from your iPhone. So with this, you can enjoy the best out of it. So this is how you can easily turn on follow iPhone on iOS 18. So if this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.